We start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, we discuss how we can look for trade. There was opportunity to look for buy from here, and especially here. Whoever get the trade for buy from this one, move their stop loss to break. They should take with the trade. They cannot move their stop loss to break even. But whoever get the trade for buy from here, they can move their stop loss to break even, or even they can take with the trade. All right, because the way is removing is already corrective. The possibility for the next drop, that means this one can be relative to any of this is very high. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart, and as we mentioned in my last analysis, we mentioned the price tag, the lowest price of this correction. We can expect the price even drop and then tag the lowest price of this move, but we don't need to wait for that. Any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we will take it. That's mean we are looking for buy, because even when the price was within here, we have been looking for buy as a long term. And as I mentioned, if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And with the breakout of this correction, we can look for 8.8 following by 9.9. And mostly with the breakout of the 9.9, we're looking for 12.1 as a targets, daily chart targets. But based on daily, we don't have any trade setup. And if you move to forward chart, even we don't see any trade setup for buy. And we can expect this one to be in relative to any of this for the next drop. That's why we need to be quite careful. If anyone wants to look for buy from here, we have to see the DP correction or the confirmation for breakout of this correction. That means we don't have any trade setup for buy, and even based on for 1 hour chart, because the way is moving is really corrective. The possibility for price to drop following by flag is very high. This is how we can look for sell. Sell is a short term. You are not really interested to look for sell. For me, I'm not really, as I mentioned, I'm not really interested to look for sell, but any sell is a short term. And even if anyone wants to look for buy, they have to wait for the price to drop sharply following by flag. This is where we can look for sell. Okay, but as I mentioned, we are more interested to look for buy. If we want to look for buy, either we see the price sharply break this correction following by flag, we take the trade, or we wait for the DP correction before we take the next trade. All right. And even if you get any opportunity for buy at this point, we look at the breakout of the previous top, and mostly we want to see the breakout of this correction. By the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.